go do this. Yo, guys, what's up? We back. We're about to crack open. So we found these eggs, and they're bird eggs, but the mom abandoned them because Ant's been touching all over them. So we're gonna, John, don't do it too hard, right? Let's get this close shot.
I need something else.
Oh shoot.
Hold that side.
What?
Move!
Use that little pencil.
What does it look like I'm doing?
Oh, I didn't see. I didn't think that you. What is that?
It's a bird.
What's in? What, bro? That's. John. Okay. Oh, John. I think it looks like it has the feathers on. John.
Oh, snaps.
Oh my god. I think John, this is dead.
It's not fully formed yet. That's why it looks like that.
Oh my gosh. Come on, keep opening it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
It's the wet. That was a waste of egg.
Shut up, Dominic. Your mother's kid just died. And you're gonna say it's a waste of an egg.
Still have the yolk in it. I'm just, trying to please my YouTubers. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh. Oh my god, that is exactly what it looks like.
Look, see how it doesn't have any eyes or anything yet?
Guys, that is disgusting.
Ollie!
Ollie, come look at what's inside this egg.
Hey! What's it called? The bird wasn't fully.
Guys, that is the egg.
There's no eyes or anything. It's just like a body.
He was dead, huh?
Yeah, he was dead.
Look at the other one.
You can tell by the color.
John.
That's the yolk, and then you see how it's just the body. There's no eyes or anything.
Of course, his body open.
There's just feathers and stuff.
Cut his body open. No. See what's in there. Shut up.
Use this. It's better.
Don't hit him.
Look, that's his eye. Look, that's his eye right there. Look. See it? Right
No,
there.
that's his beak. Oh,
Yeah.
that's his beak.
That's his eye and his
Right
beak.
here.
Oh, I
No.
can see that.
His eye and his beak.
Oh.
So soft, dude.
He was. When he died, he was for me. Dang, that's crazy how it fit in that small little egg, huh?
Well, that's how we are too.
Yeah.
We came from an egg. It's not that big because they gonna have this big old egg inside you.
Guys, that is what a bird in its shell looks like. But we are not killing birds' eggs. This was dead already because there's ants all over it.
Killed him.
Yep. Some little ants came and ate all the eggs up, and the mom left, and she's gone. So that's what it looks like. Hey man, look at his eye. Look at his eye and his beak. That is his eye and his beak.
Doesn't
Right.
even look like it could be a dove, huh?
That's a dove.
There's dove eggs.
Alright guys, we're gonna hop off here. It's pretty sad. Alright, peace out guys.